Good morning, Goa. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, we booked a stay at Castra Homes, and honestly, the vibe here is amazing. Now it was time for breakfast, so we decided to leave early around 8:30 am. Sounds like a great plan, right? Well, not in Goa. Because Goa में early morning का मतलब actually 10 बजे के बाद होता है. Most places were either closed or just getting ready to open. हम काफ़ी देर तक ब्रेकफास्ट स्पॉट्स ढूंढते रहे एंड आफ्टर अ लिटिल एडवेंचर वी फाइनली फाउंड दिस कोजी प्लेस लिटिल हट. नाम ही कितना मस्त है ना. The moment we walked in, the peaceful vibe, cute setup and relaxed Goa feel made it totally worth the search. And honestly, sometimes the best part of traveling isn't the destinations, it's getting little lost and discovering hidden gems like this. So breakfast mission successful.
चेहराच कापून टाकला.
अरे काय ऑर्डर केलंय?
ये आलू पराठा.
आलू पराठा, अंडा भुर्जी. काय स्टार्ट करो.
छोले.
अंडा भुर्जी खाते हैं मृणाली कांबळे. After a delicious breakfast, it was time for a little shopping spree. So we headed to the famous Candolim flea market to explore the local stalls and pick up some Goa souvenirs. थोड़ी शॉपिंग, थोड़ी बार्गेनिंग और बहुत सारी विंडो शॉपिंग के बाद we made our way back to our stay to freshen up and get ready for the rest of the day. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
कहाँ जा रहे हैं बताओ. पंजम जा रहे हैं. चलो लेट्स गो.
यो बॉय.
यो
मैं घ्यायच्या वेळेसच काटते. मैं नहीं आ रहा प्लीज के गोप्रो में एक बार.
Once again I'm pouring bourbon down my drain, where it lands beside my tears and toilet shame. It tastes like I ain't made it through the fire.
Now it was time to head towards Panaji, also known as Panjim. The ride through the charming little lanes was an experience in itself. Those colorful Portuguese-style houses, narrow roads and the laid-back Goa vibe made the journey just as beautiful as the destination. Soon we reached to this cute little spot, Joseph Bar. This place is small, cozy and full of character. If you are looking for an authentic Goan experience, this is definitely a place worth visiting. Of course, we had to try these signature drinks, Tamre Rosa and Urak Chili Feni. The flavors were unique, refreshing and something you won't find everywhere. A perfect way to slow down and enjoy the Goan afternoon. थोड़ी देर हमने बस रिलैक्स किया, द वाइब एंजॉय की एंड बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स भी क्लिक की. Sometimes the best travel memories aren't made while rushing from one place to another. They are made when you sit back, enjoy the moment and soak in the atmosphere around you. And that's exactly what we did at Joseph Bar.
Cheap whiskey and honest tears.
After all the drinks and exploring, हमें काफ़ी भूख लग गई थी. So we decided to head to this beautiful restaurant, Vaiva Panjim, to try some authentic Goa food. कभी कभी किसी जगह को समझने का बेस्ट वे उसका फूड होता है. And this meal gave us a true taste of Goa. Finally, Goan food खा रहे हम. भूख इतनी लगी थी ना कि मसाले पापड़ को खा लिया. So now we are having this pretty platter. Goan platter. This is butter garlic prawns. This is kingfish, right?
Yes.
Kingfish, rava fried fish, and some French fries.
आणि हे रवा फ्राईड सोनक आहे.
Sonak. Okay. After that amazing meal, एक चीज तो पकी थी. Dessert तो बनता है. So we headed to the famous Confeiteria 31 de Janeiro Bakery. और ऑनेस्टली जितनी इस जगह की हाइप है उतनी ही इस जगह की वाइब भी है. The bakery is famous for its delicious desserts, so we couldn't leave without trying some of these specialities. The most special icons are the iconic bibinka, Goa ki traditional egg yolk layered dessert, and rich fudgy chocolate brownies. These taste just amazing. Here, the place has its old world charm, vintage details, and cozy atmosphere makes this place truly special. And the whole place had its own warm, nostalgic feel. And this is how, with happy hearts, full stomachs, and lots of pictures in my gallery, we have spent our first day in Goa. Day 2 in Goa और आज हम निकले अरंबुल में एक ब्यूटीफुल कैफे एक्सप्लोर करने, गार्डन ऑफ ड्रीम्स। The moment we walked in, we absolutely loved the charming sitting area and the peaceful atmosphere. और सबसे अच्छी बात थी उनका live music. The music was so soothing and pleasant that we spent hours listening to it. Sometimes travel isn't about rushing from one place to another, it's just about finding places where time slows down, and this cafe was exactly the same. Their menu was also quite impressive with pleasant of delicious options to choose from. So हमने order किए some juicy burgers and cafe latte and they were absolutely worth it. Good food, soul music and a relaxing vibe.
Chasing the light on the edge where the sky meets the sea. Colors blend in.
आफ्टर द कैफे हम अपनी इवनिंग रिलैक्स करने के लिए पहुंच गए अरंबुल बीच. The cool breeze, beautiful sunset and peaceful atmosphere made it the perfect spot to unwind. और सबसे अच्छी बात, we made some new friends and spent the evening playing games, laughing and creating unforgettable memories together. Sometimes the best part of traveling is the people you meet along the way. Some trips give you photos, but some give you memories. Goa gave us both. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.